it's been a while. You know what I'm talking about. Mystery bundle unboxing! What's up, Bag Babes? It's your girl, Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant right here on YouTube. If we never met, hi, my name is Rochelle and I'm a 31 consultant. Now, if you love the vibe in this tribe, you go ahead and hit the subscribe button down below. Make sure you give this video a big like if you love these mystery bundle unboxings. And feel free to share this with friends and family who are just curious about this mystery bundle. Now, ladies, before we get into the unboxing or reveal, let me just go quickly summarize what's going on this channel for the month of May, because May is amazing. First and foremost, Rochelle's buy one, gift one event is off to a great start. I still have tons of gifts to give away. How you get in on that is simply shop with me this month and you get to nominate a loved one to receive a free gift from me. Now, ladies, in this month of May, there is tons to shop. First and foremost, we have the summer outlet sale that has launched early. Ladies, everything in the summer catalog is outlet price. So, you know, in July, usually we have a huge outlet sale. We're having it all summer long and it's in this catalog. And you can totally shop from that catalog, or if you want, you can still shop in the spring catalog, which will be also available until the end of August. Now, letting you girls know that Hello Happy is taking a break for June, okay? So if you need a fix on a Hello Happy, grab the March or the April, because there will not be one in June. And I will let you know as soon as I get that information when those Hello Happies will be back. Lastly, there is those PS bundles. Girls, those are flying off the shelf. Use these PS bundles to get to your customer rewards with that 50% off coupon, or you can get 50% off on the PS bundles. So put $50 in your cart and you get a PS bundles 50% off the sale price. That is like the ultimate sales bundle right there. Now, of course, if you're loving anything of what I just said and something catches your eye, don't forget to get into my monthly mystery hostess. I'll put June's link down below. Shop in that link by June 6th. You'll get double entries into winning all of June's rewards. All right, ladies, so let us get to the fun. When I first started this channel, I did a whole bunch of mystery unboxings because I myself was curious, like, what is in this mystery unboxing? And ladies, if this is your first time watching, you're like, how do I get a mystery bundle? This is a $25 mystery bundle that you can unlock as an insider. It is considered an insider reward. They're like, how do I get to be an insider? You do that by one way, by simply hosting a party. Now, when we say hosting that party, that could be so many things. First and foremost, you can be a party of one. This is my favorite. This is that girl insider who wants everything for herself. Basically, go on a $200 plus shopping spree. You totally unlock all the rewards for yourself, including the mystery bundle. Or you can get a shopping link. You can share that with friends and family. And once you unlock the mystery bundle, it is yours. Another way is to get into my monthly mystery hostess. You can do online parties. Girls, there are plenty of creative ways nowadays to get you to a qualifying party to unlock this mystery bundle. Now, along with the mystery bundles, we have 4 other insider rewards, such as our umbrella, which you can totally personalize. Those packing cubes, which are super popular for you travelers. You'll get 3 sizes, large, medium, and small. Super cute fold and fun mat. Has a pocket right here. You can personalize this for free. Basically, this unfolds into a huge mat. And lastly, the queen of all coolers, the thermal large utility tote. Okay, this is a large utility tote, but thermal. The boys have their coolers. Now, us bag babes have our coolers. If you want an up-close personal on all of these insider rewards, check out this video. I will also put it down below. Yeah. Okay, let's get to it. So the 5th choice, if you're doing an insider reward, is this mystery bundle. It is valued at $75 or more, but for you as an insider, it will only cost you $25. Now, if you love surprises and you just love 31, this is the great, happiest meal ever. But then I know there are some of you bag babes who are just don't know about surprises. You want to know what's in the mystery bundle. As a consultant, I don't even know what's in the mystery bundle because it's a mystery, right? If you're a girl who's not big on surprises, this may or may not be for you, but you know what? This will always make a great gifting idea. So if you get a mystery bundle and you're like, I'm not so crazy about it, hello, there is a fun gift to give to someone special. All right, so this is mystery bundle 135. If you girls ever notice, these mystery bundles have numbers on them, and I will leave a playlist at the very end of all the mystery bundles that I have a box. I got 2 bundles. So I had 2 opening parties. This one thanks to Jessica B. I was gonna try and do that at the same time, but they're shipping, but I didn't get it at the same time, so I might as well just show you the first one, okay? So if you order 2 mystery bundles in the same party, you will be getting the same thing, okay? I've discovered that. So let's go ahead and open it up. As always, if it's something that you love, let me know. I usually add these things to my giveaway pile because you girls know what you girls, I do all these things just for you girls because without you ladies, I wouldn't be possible. So it's always a gift. Can you see what it is? I don't even know what it is yet. What is it? Oh boy. I love how everything is matching. Okay, I have 3 things. First and foremost, let's go smallest to biggest. I love these. These Oh Snap bin. It is in the gray brush strokes. This is currently not available. It has been discontinued, but I have a few of them because I put them in my bathroom. I put them for my makeup bins and all that stuff. It's super cute. It's small like this. It does have a snap. I also have this in Bruce Bruce. I have a little rod and I clip a little Oh Snap bin on there, and that's kind of like my garbage pail. But this is the Oh Snap bin. You can totally hang this. It's called Oh Snap because it snaps like this. It has a snap. Let me put these down. Snap, and you can snap things on rods. You can snap them together. There's plenty of with a snap set on the counter, hang from a rod, hang from a hook, or connect with one another. Again, this is no longer available, but I love these. I hope they're coming back. All right, so that is the first. The second thing that I grabbed is, oh my gosh, what is this? Everything is in gray, light gray crosshatch, Oh Snap Duo, Oh Storage, Oh Snap Storage Duo. Oh my gosh, okay. So this is 2 things. This was a Hostess exclusive a couple years ago, and basically it is a hamper, and you stick them together and you have 2 hampers side to side. Wow, this was a great steal. Okay, I'm gonna open one of them. One says left and one says right. I think we have a new hamper. At the same time, I don't know if I need another hamper, honestly. Because I have those large hampers for the kids. All right, so I'm gonna take this out. You have the sticks here because you're supposed to put them in here for stability. I will probably find a video or a picture, but again, here's the layout. Sturdy on the top, handles on the sides. On one side they have a mesh pocket. So this one was the right one. Yeah, so this is the right one. So the left one will be sitting right here and it will have the same thing. So it's kind of like identical, like twins. I would put these straps in here to go ahead and make it, you slide them on here, just like our stand tall bins, and it will make it stand. So for $25, I am super happy of what I got. So that is mystery bundle 135. To be honest, ladies, I'm never been really truly disappointed with a $25 mystery bundles as an insider reward. They've always gone above and beyond of what I expected. Also, they always try to match things so things have a theme and look super cute. Sometimes like this one was all gray. I'll see you ladies on Saturday during Bag Babe TV, where every Saturday I go live with you and your bag babes with this new awesome platform. 7 a.m. West Coast time, 10 a.m. East Coast time. And don't forget to subscribe. Check out my latest video. Here's the latest 31 news, and here's that playlist for all the mystery bundles. I hope you enjoy that. Ta-ta for